Well, hi everybody. You know, we just made it back from that long trip home from celebrating the 45 years as a forever family at the Global Rally in Bali. For me, and hopefully for all of you, it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The place is full of breathtaking beauty, and I did feel like a strong sense of community while we were there. And I must say that, in my opinion, Bali was the perfect place to commemorate this 45-year milestone. It's just amazing. And thank you to all who worked so hard and joined us there. And for those who didn't make it or were unable to come, we missed you, and we look forward to seeing you at the next event, which we know that you're working very hard to achieve. Stay focused, guys. We've got the Eagle Manager coming up, and we've got some great events for next year, which you all know about. I need to tell you how truly in awe I am of our amazing staff, crew, and vendors for their tireless efforts throughout the event, and especially in salvaging that rained out chairman's bonus dinner. It's this intentional commitment to something greater that carries us through when challenges present themselves. Sometimes it's referred to as, what's your why? And this intentionality is at the heart of Forever. It's woven into the fabric of our core values. Of course, we all believe in intentional living and building a life around what you believe in and what you're passionate about. But I think there's another name for it. Instead of intentional living, what about if we called it living a forever life? And now this is something I learned from Rex. It's how he lived every day with everyone. He intentionally created the framework that is forever, from plant to product to you. From this solid foundation, Forever grew into the company that it is today. This foundation of plant to product to you. And the growth of your Forever business is connected to that and is very similar. Just like our millions and millions of aloe vera plants that need nurturing on a daily basis, your new Forever business is exactly the same. It needs care via constant support and training. Just as the product has to be high quality and is high quality, your business needs to be built in the same way. In other words, built on a foundation of quality. And finally, in our plant to product to you analogy, is you. You are all things to this process. You are the light, the energy, the USP of the business. You are the person with the ability to literally change lives. Our plants and products are pure and consistent. Our business opportunity is proven. The difference, the question, the unknown is you, and that's where the true value lies. So how can you be intentional? How can you live a forever life every day? The key is to remember that every single day is an opportunity for excellence. Excellence just doesn't happen once like that. We are nourished much more by daily rain than one flood. For an FBO, what could a day of excellence look like? Maybe a couple of ideas I've got. Invite 5 new people to try the products on a daily basis. Use the product consistently daily. Recruit a new person every day. Sell at least one product. And have meaningful contact with your team members. Possibly review the numbers via FOP 360 to check out where you are with the incentives and the status of your business. Imagine if you did that on a daily basis. I know that's difficult, it's not easy, we're not saying it is. Excellence is intentional. A forever life is intentional. I know it's hard work and it is a huge commitment, but as a company, Forever believes in you, and I can promise you, I believe in you too. So maybe you could work on finding out what a day of excellence would be for you, because we know that your potential is unlimited. With every evolution in the Forever story, I can promise you one thing: the core of our Forever business will not change. Our values are hardwired, and like everything we do at Forever, our marketing plan was developed with intention. It was developed on purpose to give you every possibility to succeed. It is designed to fuel growth and reward excellence among business owners who demonstrate leadership and help others achieve success. In other words, it is the reward for living a forever life. As we enter a new month, fresh off the excitement and the energy of the rally, I think about how you can continue to be the light and the difference for your team and for everyone you encounter. Now let's go make it happen. Let's make it happen today and daily. Let's strive after that day of excellence. Thank you for all that you do. We appreciate you so very much, and we look forward to seeing you really soon.